In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer money between HSBC accounts easily using your HSB mobile banking app. This simple process ensures you can manage your finances efficiently from the comfort of your own home or on the go. To start, open the HSBC mobile banking app on your smartphone. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to enter your username and password. Alternatively, if you have biometric login set up, you can use that option for quick access. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your main dashboard. This is the hub where you can view your accounts, recent transactions, and more. From here, look towards the bottom of the screen and tap on Move Money. This will take you to a new screen where you'll see the option to pay and transfer. Tap on that to proceed. Now it's time to choose which of your HSBC accounts you want to use as the sender. Simply select your preferred account from the list. After that, it's time to select the recipient. In this case, since you're transferring money to another HSBC account, select that account from the list as well. With the accounts chosen, it's time to specify the amount you wish to transfer. Enter the desired amount, ensuring you have enough funds in your sender account to cover the transfer. At this point, you also have the option to add a reference. This could be something like rent or gift, which can help both you and the recipient remember the purpose of the transfer. You have the flexibility to decide when the transfer should occur. If you want the funds to move immediately, simply select that option. However, if you prefer to schedule the transfer for a later date, you can do so by choosing the appropriate date from the calendar. Before finalizing the transaction, take a moment to review all the details. This includes the sender and recipient accounts, the transfer amount, and any references or scheduling preferences you've set. Once you're sure everything is correct, tap Confirm. After confirming, you'll receive a notification indicating that the transfer is complete. This confirmation message is your assurance that the transaction has been successfully processed. And that's it. You've now successfully transferred money between HSBC accounts using your mobile app. Remember, managing your finances on the go has never been easier with these digital tools at your fingertips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.